Rabbits are herbivores, and in the wild they spend a large proportion of their time eating, and they can be eating from 10 to 12 hours every day. They eat leaves, grasses and that type of thing, and their bodies, their teeth and their guts rely on them having high fibre diet. And as a good guide, about a bundle the same size as your rabbit's body every day of a variety of different types of hay. In the wild, as the seasons change, the types of food that a rabbit eats would change. And it's interesting to provide the hay in different kinds of ways. It can be in a basket, it can be provided as a hay rack, it can be used as bedding, it can be used as sort of environmental enrichment and put inside toys and that sort of thing. Anything to sort of prolong the interest and the time that your rabbit spends eating hay is something that is helpful and useful for your rabbit's health. Your rabbit will enjoy getting fresh grass every day as well, and freshly picked grass is great, but don't use lawnmower clippings because these ferment quite quickly and can seriously hurt your rabbit if you let them eat them. In addition to feeding hay, it's important to give your rabbit a variety of fresh vegetables every day. Approximately an adult double-sized handful of between 3 and 6 different types of vegetables. So things like curly kale and spring greens, broccoli, a little bit of cauliflower, the tops of carrots, herbs and mint and that type of thing, just so that the rabbits are able to have a little bit of interest and variety in the diet as well as to wear their teeth down normally. We have a wide variety of vegetables here, but it's important to remember that when you introduce a new vegetable to your rabbit, you should do it slowly over a period of probably 3 to 5 days and start with really small amounts so that you can stop it if your rabbit isn't tolerating it. And what we don't want to do is to have your rabbit get a stomach upset. All rabbits must be provided with fresh water at all times. You can provide it in a bottle or in a bowl, as long as it's clean and checked regularly. If your rabbits are used to using a bottle, it's worthwhile making certain that the bottle is working. And you can get covers for bottles to avoid algae growing in hot weather and to avoid the water freezing in cold weather. You can also feed your rabbit a small amount of pelleted or nuggeted feed every day, and this will help to avoid any vitamin and mineral deficiencies in the diet. But it's important to only feed a small amount. So 1 egg cup full, approximately 25 grams, is enough for 1 kilo of rabbit. So with a medium-sized average rabbit, 2 egg cups a day is sufficient pellets. Everybody likes a treat now and then, rabbits included, but in the interests of not getting your rabbits too overweight, it may be sensible to use vegetables or something like that, part of their normal diet, in a treat form, or you can use some of the pellets if you feed them. If you are going to feed treats, it's important that it's not all the time and that it's small amounts. Not the whole carrot, a bit of carrot, or a small amount of apple occasionally. So this diet is suitable for healthy adult rabbits. For very young, pregnant, lactating or poorly rabbits, the needs change, so it's worthwhile getting advice from your vet. If your rabbit is gaining or losing weight, then adjust the amount that you're feeding, and certainly if you're uncertain, ask your vet.